Councilmember Mathieu Eugene, an acclaimed leader, hosted one of the most spectacular Haitian Flag Day celebration ever. He wasn't shy to exhibit his dancing skills, which can make him undoubtedly a potential contender for Dancing with the Stars. There were several activities: the ceremony, cultural event, and art exhibit. In the morning, there was the Raising the Haitian Flag ceremony, hosted by Brooklyn Borough President Marty Markowitz and Councilmember Mathieu Eugene. Miss New York Team USA, Lisa Droyard, was recognized for her accomplishment. There was a reception afterward. Haitian food was served.
So thank you all for being here. First off, Ron, thank you for your outstanding leadership. Everything I've been told are truly inspirations of young people, mature people as well.
You know what? There's another reason for me to be proud. She's my constituent. She's my constituent.
At the end of this video, you are invited to learn about the 9 flags in Haitian history. Teach your children as well.
Team USA. Now, without further ado, I will leave the mic for Councilmember Eugene as soon as
James, ladies and gentlemen, my brothers and sisters, what a privilege to have the opportunity to be welcome and to have the flag of Haiti put on my chest by Miss New York Team USA. Whoa! Thank you so much. Before I start talking, let me take the opportunity to thank the board president, Mathieu. Let's put our hands together, please. My deepest thanks. Because let me tell you, I didn't get where I am by myself. I couldn't. I'm not the most prepared, the most intelligent of Haitians. But I get there because of the support and the help of many of my Haitian brothers and sisters. And because also of the help and the assistance of many of my brothers and sisters from the other communities. Because all of us, regardless of where we come from, regardless of where we were born, we all belong to the same family, the humankind family. We all believe to the same family, Brooklyn family, immigrant family, New Yorkers family, the family in the United States of America. We have so much that unites us that today, when I'm looking at the audience, I feel that I have my family right here. I feel comfortable, and I feel that I'm among families. On my behalf, and also on behalf of the Haitian community, thank you so much. Thank you very much. As we celebrate the Haitian flag, we are worthy of the theme of both the great city of New York and the community. And I want you to join me to put your hands together for Maître, I say that as also in French, Maître James DeBrose.
Finally, I want to thank Dr. Eugene for running against all odds to become the first Haitian elected politician in New York State. For me, it's an honor for all Haitians because now Haitian Flag Day is hosted by a real Haitian. I've been coming here many years, and this is finally have a Haitian representing us on our Flag Day.
Let me call Jackson Georges. Let's put our hands together for Jackson Georges. Congratulations.
Good evening, everyone. I am truly honored to receive this award from the City Council. I want to thank the City Council members, especially Councilmember Mathieu Eugene. I come to you as an artist and an art educator. As you know, we are facing unprecedented and increasing budgetary constraints. We must do our best to keep the arts alive in the public schools. Thank you very much.
Join me, please, to welcome somebody who is very important for the Haitian community. He has been doing a wonderful job. He's an attorney, and he has been helping my office provide TPS assistance to so many Haitian brothers and sisters. Let's welcome Jojo Anobile. Is Jojo here? He's not Haitian, but he's one of our brothers from the other community. Thank you, Jojo. Thank you. Please put your hands together to welcome Mathieu Sarkin. I know that Mathieu, I told you that we Haitians, we are not alone.
And there are so many people from the other communities and other ethnic backgrounds who have been helping us at this very difficult moment, especially on the aftermath of the earthquake. And Mathieu is one of those people of goodwill who did so much for our Haitian brothers in Haiti. Thank you so much, Mathieu.
Merci, bienvenue. Salam alaikum. Pour les personnes ici et les personnes ici de Haiti. Thank you to everyone for coming here, and a very big thanks to my brother Smith Georges, who helped me get to Haiti, and we had medical supplies and delivered first and administered first aid 9 days after the quake. Thank you, Smith, for everything. And I want to thank Dr. Eugene Mathieu for this wonderful award, but this award really belongs to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Thank you all very much. God bless.
Can we get a photo? Once again, there's a song I have called 200 Years. Over 200 years of blood, sweat, and tears. If you proud, yeah, so you're black. Everyone sing that song. My soul to me, my soul. Come on, up.
Councilmember Mathieu Eugene also presented an important educational collection of the 9 flags in Haitian history. Historic artwork realized by Haitian American artist activist Smith Georges. This is the first flag. After breaking free from the French rulers, Toussaint Louverture created his own flag in 1802. This is the second flag. It was created in 1803 by Dessalines and Pétion. This flag was sewn by a lady named Catherine Flynn. This is the third flag, but the first official flag of an independent Haiti created by Jean-Jacques Dessalines in 1804. This the fourth flag. This flag was created in 1805 by Haitian Emperor Jacques I. Jean-Jacques Dessalines. This is the fifth flag. This flag with the coat of arms was created in 1807 by Haitian President Alexandre Pétion. This is the sixth flag. This flag was created by King Henry I, Henry Christophe of Haiti, in 1811. This is the seventh flag. This is the flag of Haitian Emperor Faustin I, Faustin Sulak, created in 1849. This the eighth flag. This flag was created by Haitian President François Duvalier, Papa Doc, in 1964. This is the ninth flag. In 1986, the Haitian people reinstated the blue and red flag after the fall of Jean-Claude Duvalier, Baby Doc. To learn about the 9 flags in Haitian history. Teach your children as well.